So, XRD's first official design competition is coming up, and it's going to be sick. You can use any tool designed for any headset, and more importantly, you will have your work in front of the best XR designers in the industry. I'm talking about judges who have worked at Ultraleap, Microsoft, Unity, Meta, Valve, and Apple, and they will all be handing out killer prizes such as an Ultraleap motion controller, a sick-ass Quest 3 with Pro Battery head strap by Bobo, and I will be publicly making a video critique of your work to show the world how truly awesome you are. Now, to make this event possible, we have been sponsored by Ultraleap and Bezi, and I'm super grateful for their support on this. Now, this design event will run through June of 2024 with the winners announced in July. And the rules, deliverables, scoring system, and design theme will be announced on May 31st on the XRD Discord server and our YouTube channel. And if you want to sign up early for the competition, you will get an extra point on your final score at the end. I don't know, could add up. So join the competition with the link down below. And until next time, take care and plus minus. See you soon.